Stock market has fascinated many people for centuries. Some come here to get rich quick. Some want to partner with companies and create a generation wealth for themselves and their loved ones. Which camp are you in? Are you one who want to hold the companies like such as Amazon, Google, Apple, Infosys, or any of the companies like Asian Paints, and find those new gems which are going to be the next winner for decades now? One can look at hindsight and look at those examples, but I want you to understand that after 10 years, you want to look back and also be holding those companies which will create wealth for yourself. That's a game which we want to play in. But the question is how to invest in stock market and be able to win that game. Over years, I've been investing in stock market, and I want to start a new series specifically how to invest in stock market. If you are new to investing, or you are only looking at stock prices every time after you invest, I want to share the knowledge so that you don't only become slaves to the prices, but you want to be profitably, peacefully, enjoyably invest in the companies and have a complete rational decisions what to buy, when to buy, how much to buy, and when to exit. And that's where you will be able to not only enjoy the journey and also be able to be at peace, because at the end of the day we are all busy professionals and we want to make sure we can compound our money. Come join with me in this new series. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so you get more videos from me. Thank you.